In this question, if omega not equal to 1 be an imaginary cube root of unity and 1 plus omega square to the power n is equal to 1 plus omega 4 to the power n, then the least positive integral value of n is what? Here we have let 1 omega square be the cube roots of unity. Then we have omega cube equal to 1 and 1 plus omega square equal to 0. Therefore, 1 plus omega square is equal to minus omega, and omega 4 is equal to omega 3 into omega equal to 1 into omega equal to 1. Therefore, 1 plus omega 4 equal to 1 plus omega is equal to minus omega square. Therefore, this equation can be written as minus omega the whole to the power n is equal to minus omega square the whole to the power n. Or we can write minus 1 to the power n into omega to the power n equal to minus 1 to the power n into omega to the power 2n. This gives omega to the power n is equal to omega 2n. This gives, when n is equal to 3, we have omega cube is equal to omega 6 equal to omega cube into omega cube equal to omega cube. Therefore, the least positive value of n is 3.